This is Litre Total Parts Pro, delivered with 2014 Mazda CX-5, stock number 7272. It's run from the 2nd 2013 to the 12th 2016. Here's a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Left front guard, no dents. Left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door, no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Right rear right front door, no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,